Hey there, let me ask you a question. Which one of these client family members are you? I want to tell you a little story about a tale of two of my client family members. One of them decided not to follow my proven strategy for boot camps, challenges, master classes. She's like, no, I'm going to just do it on my own. So she spent a ton of money on ads and basically she got crickets. The other one followed my easy method, literally step by step, no ads. And she launched her challenge in 2 weeks. She filled it with, I think, 308 prospects. She had 64 that were actively engaged. And then she offered a course at the end that was $3,000. She didn't sell at all. She just extended her hand and made an offer. And in 3 days, only 3 days, she had earned $30,000. Now, both of these client family members are truly great at what they do. Both of them have the ability to provide massive transformation for their own client family members. So what's the difference? Well, one client family member decided not to listen to my plan, my strategy, and go it alone. The other client followed the simple plan. She followed the process that I laid out and she got the results. So the results here are pretty clear. They're pretty obvious. In the second case, the client family member who followed the very simple game plan I gave, she has a ton of prospects. She has $30,000 in her bank account, and now she can repeat this process over and over again. She can do this monthly. She can maybe earn another 30,000 every month or maybe more. Who knows? She now has a proven formula and a system that works. My other client family member, she decided not to go it alone. She realized she made a mistake. Now she wants the kind of results that I get, that my client family members get, who actually follow my system, right? She said, oh man, I hired you and then I went ahead and did it the wrong way. And I felt confused and overwhelmed and frustrated and I wasted time, money, and energy. And I have nothing to show for it other than a lack of income. So I ask you, which way are you going to do it? Because right now, I really want to help you. I want to get you a conveyor belt of qualified prospects. I want you to launch your successful workshop, boot camp, masterclass, challenge, whatever it is, with my very simple proven strategy. Just imagine. In a few short weeks, you host a challenge. And using only a phone, nothing else, you generate a ton of leads, no ads, no expenditure, and you make sales during your 3-day challenge. I'm encouraging you right this minute to check out my brand new masterclass. I just put it together for you, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Let me help you.